The news less than an hour ago that the President Duterte, has withdrawn the Philippines from the ICC. Kudos to him for standing up for the Philippines because hindi naman siguro tama, ginaganyan na lang tayo, tinatrato tayo ng mga dayuhan na akala mo naman hindi tayo marunong dito, hindi tayo nakakaintindi, tayong inuutusan kung ano-ano pinagsasabi tungkol sa atin. Gagawin nila yung gusto nilang gawin, pero huwag nila sasabihin na kasama tayo at hindi tayo papayag na ay ganun ang trato sa atin. At saka minamata tayo nitong mga puti. We are a mature, sovereign nation with our own ways of doing things, and it is not for them to judge us because we do not judge them.
One eternity later.
Mr. President, may violation ba ito sa ating soberanya, itong pagkakaaresto kay dating Pangulong Duterte?
No. Bakit naman? Dahil consistent naman tayo. Hindi tayo tumutulong sa investigasyon ng ICC. Wala tayong meron tayong contact sa kanila, natural. Pero no, not on an official level. We didn't help them in any way. The arrest the arrest that we did today was in compliance with our commitments to Interpol. It just so happened that came from ICC.